Alright guys, welcome back to another video. So this is going to be another video about the wheel horse. If you saw my last video, you know what we did. We went splashing in this thing. And, and as you can see, there is a lot of dry dirt on here now. This is awful. I don't ever usually let it look this bad, but this is really bad. This is the dirtiest it's been in a long time, and I let it dry like this. I probably shouldn't have done that, but it is what it is. So we need to get it clean. And how I'm going to do it is I'm going to use my pressure washer. This is my pressure washer trailer now, I guess. This is where I carry my pressure washer. We're going to give it a good cleaning. We're also going to do the same thing to my Camaro because it is quite dirty itself. Let's get started. So in order to do what I'm going to do, I'm going to move the LTD out of the way and we're going to park both of these vehicles. I mean, the vehicle and the mower here. I like the fact that both of these are manual transmissions. And there we go. A nice clean Camaro and a pretty clean wheel horse. It's far from perfect. As you can see, it's still kind of dirty here and there, especially the seat. The seat is hard to clean off. You gotta scrub it practically to clean that off. I didn't scrub the wheel horse. I just did a rinse or wash and rinse, touchless. I mean, it's a lot better, don't get me wrong, but it's not perfect. I definitely could have used a scrubbing, but I didn't want to use the same microfiber towel that I used to wash this thing because the dirt from this would have absolutely scratched up this paint. This is why my car looks as good as it does. It's because I do that kind of stuff. I make sure I use a clean microfiber towel and I don't get any dirt on it while I'm scrubbing it either. And it looks absolutely amazing. I wish the LTD was that shiny. Yep, we got a clean paint job, clean wheels that have been shined, restored plastic trim with plastic trim restorer. This car looks brand spanking new. Minus a few scratches and dents that it has on it, but it looks crap. It looks absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. So that is going to do it for this quick video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, you know what to do. If you're stopping by for the first time and you want to see more videos of the vehicles or the wheel horse, or anything here for that matter, be sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.